We all have dreams, those big, bold visions of who we want to be and what we want to achieve. But turning those dreams into reality? That's where the magic happens. Have you ever laid awake at night, heart pounding with excitement, a vision dancing behind your eyes? It's that dream, the one that sets your soul on fire, that we're going to talk about today. Today, I'm going to show you how to take that spark, that whisper of possibility, and turn it into something real. We all have dreams, those big bold visions of who we want to be and what we want to achieve. But turning those dreams into reality, that's where the magic happens. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve your dreams, step by step. First things first, you've got to believe in your dreams. You have to believe that they're possible, that you're worthy, that you have something special to offer the world. If you don't believe they're possible, you'll never take the steps to make them happen. It's like trying to drive a car with the parking brake on. You won't get very far. You might have people telling you it's silly, to be realistic, to keep your feet on the ground. But I'm here to tell you, those dreams are there for a reason. They're whispers from your soul about what you're meant to do, who you're meant to be. A dream without a plan is just a wish. It's like having a destination in mind, but no map, no directions, no idea how to get there. Break your dream into specific, actionable steps. Make them bite-sized, manageable, something you can actually see yourself doing. What do you need to do today, this week, or this month to move closer to your goal? Maybe it's writing one page of that book you've always dreamed of, making one phone call, taking a class, anything that gets you moving in the right direction. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, it was built brick by brick, step by step, and your dreams are the same way. Chapter 3. Take consistent action. Consistency is key. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Even small steps taken every day add up to big progress over time. It's like putting pennies in a jar. It might not seem like much at first, but over time, those pennies add up to dollars. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, and keep going. Because the truth is, there will never be a perfect time. Life will always throw curveballs, there will always be something more important to do, but it's about making the choice every single day to show up for your dreams. Chapter 4. Overcome challenges. Dreams don't come easy. If they did, everyone would have them. There will be setbacks, moments when you want to give up, when you question everything. There will be doubts, whispers of fear telling you to turn back. But you know what? That's okay. It's normal to feel that way. The key is to not let those feelings control you. Every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger and more determined. It's a test, a chance to prove to yourself how much you want it. Chapter 5. Celebrate your wins. We often get so caught up in the destination that we forget to enjoy the journey. But every step forward, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Those small wins keep you motivated and remind you how far you've come. They're fuel for the fire, proof that you're on the right track. So take the time to acknowledge your accomplishments. Be proud of yourself for every step you take, every hurdle you overcome. You deserve it. Outro. The world needs your dream. Your dreams are worth chasing. Believe in them, take action, and don't give up, because the world needs what only you can bring. We need your light, your passion, your unique gifts. Don't deprive the world of your brilliance. If this inspired you, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on achieving your best life. Because when you shine your light, you give others permission to do the same. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality.